So hello students, welcome back to this new video, and in this video we are going to learn about the five kingdom classification. Okay, so we know that in my last video I covered that what is five kingdom classification. It was proposed by the R.H. Whittaker in 1969. Okay, I will write it here for you because it is very important question who proposed this. So R.H. Whittaker. Okay, so he proposed this kingdom classification in 1969. So the name suggests there are five kingdoms, that is Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and the Animalia. So the main criteria for classification of five kingdom, it includes cell type, cell wall, nuclear membrane, body organization and the mode of nutrition. Okay, so we will talk about these one by one. So let's first talk about the cell type. Okay, I think now it is more clearly visible. So these are various characteristics. The first one is the cell type. Okay, so Monera, it includes prokaryotes. Okay, whereas Protista includes eukaryotes, Fungi includes eukaryotes, Plantae and Animalia as well are having eukaryotes. Okay, the second characteristics of this classification system is the based on the cell wall. Okay, so the Monera, the cell wall is non-cellulosic. Okay, it is non-cellulosic and is made of polysaccharide and amino acids. Okay, in the Protista, the cell wall, it is present in some organism. Okay, the cell wall in the fungi, it is present, but it is composed of the chitin. Okay, in the Plantae, the organism, they have the cell wall. Okay, it is present and it is made up of cellulose. Okay, whereas the cell wall is absent in case of Animalia. The third characteristic is nuclear membrane. So nuclear membrane is absent in case of Monera and it is present in case of Protista. Fungi also it is present. The nuclear membrane is also present in case of the Plantae and as well as in the Animalia kingdom. Okay. The fourth is body organization. Okay, so the Monera, the organisms, they are cellular. Okay, Protista also cellular, and the fungi, it includes multicellular organisms with the loose tissue. Okay, the Plantae, they have the tissue system as well as the organ system. Okay, and the Animalia also possess the tissue or organ and organ system. Okay, I hope it is visible to you. And the last is the mode of nutrition. Okay, so the kingdom Monera, the mode of the organism has the mode of nutrition is autotrophic as well as heterotrophic. Okay, so autotrophic includes the chemosynthesis and the photosynthetic organism. Okay, and the heterotrophic mode of nutrition includes saprophytic and the parasitic mode of nutrition. Okay, the Protista organisms, they are autotrophic. Okay, so the autotrophic displayed the photosynthetic nature, and another mode of nutrition is the heterotrophic. The kingdom fungi organism, they display the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay, and it includes the saprophytic and the parasitic mode of nutrition. The Plantae exhibit the autotrophic mode of nutrition, that is, they synthesize their own food, okay, through the process of the photosynthesis. Okay, and the Animalia, they exhibit the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay, so now this students, we have to understand that five kingdom classification is a significant advancement. Okay, why? Because it strengthens, okay, our knowledge. I will discuss them one by one. First of all, the strength of the five kingdom classification is that separation of prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Okay, this five kingdom classification, it places the fungi in separate kingdom. This is another advantage of five kingdom classification. And why this five kingdom classification places the fungi in separate kingdom? Because the fungi is exhibiting the unique characteristic, like it has the heterotrophic nutrition mode. The cell wall is composed of the chitin. Okay, so this in this kingdom classification, it created a dedicated kingdom for the fungi. Okay, this rectified the previous inaccurate placement of fungi within the plant kingdom. Okay, so these are the two main advantage of five kingdom classification, or the strength we can say. The third is the emphasis on the mode of nutrition. Okay, so how this we will understand the five kingdom classification, as we can see that it taken into consideration the mode of the nutrition. This led to more natural grouping of the organism based on whether they are producing their own food or they are relying on the external food sources. Okay, the fourth strength of this five kingdom classification, or the advantage, is the consideration of cellular organization. Okay, so this system, it provides a clear reflection of biological complexity also. The fifth advantage associated with this kingdom classification is that the reflection of phylogenetic relationship. Okay, so phylogenetic relationship accuracy. Okay, we will write. So it provided more accurate representation of the natural relationship between different group of organisms. Okay, and this five kingdom classification has improved the organization with more clarity. Okay, and increased the accuracy of the organism classification. So I tried to cover this topic. This is very important topic in the point wise, to the point manner. I hope this video helps remembering you this kingdom classification. Okay, thank you for watching the video.